From Seed to Harvest, a comprehensive guide to home. The video starts with an introduction to the basics of gardening, including selecting the right location for your garden, preparing the soil, and choosing the right seeds. It then dives into the different types of seeds and how to choose the ones that are best suited for your garden. Once you have selected your seeds, the video provides step-by-step instructions on how to plant them and care for your seedlings as they begin to grow. It covers everything from watering and fertilizing to pruning and staking your plants as they mature. As your plants reach maturity, the video explains how to harvest your fruits and vegetables, and how to save seeds for future planting. It also provides tips for storing your harvest and preserving it for later use. Throughout the video, you will learn about the different tools and equipment that are needed for home gardening, as well as some common pests and diseases that can affect your plants. The video also includes advice on how to prevent and treat these issues. In short, From Seed to Harvest, a comprehensive guide to home gardening is an informative and engaging video that will provide you with all the knowledge you need to start your own successful home garden. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this video is a must-watch for anyone interested in growing their own fruits and vegetables at home.